Welcome to my channel. Let's see some fun. This is the Anstoy Electric Gel Blaster. My kid received this gel blaster for Christmas. He didn't waste no time to have fun with it. The Gel Blaster is a launcher toy that launches the fragile gel balls as projectiles. So when the water bomb is ejected, it will burst immediately after encountering obstacle, forming a pile of more fragments.
Almost got it. There you go.
He was having a lot of fun target practicing.
You having fun, dude?
For children, shooting guns can be fun, challenging, and a positive experience. It involves physical exercise, targeting skills, observation, and endurance. This is a great entertainment, especially for group games. The recommendation for safe use is 12 years and older. This gel blaster uses a 7mm hydrogel ball. Do not apply or other hydro balls to this gel blaster. Range is like 65 and safety glasses must be worn during use. My kid wasn't using them, but I was watching him to be safe. The rate of fire of the gel ball blaster is very fast, and it can shoot up to 300 gel balls per minute. Its range is about 65. We talked about that before. Its fast rate of fire and long range shooting can give you a very real and interesting experience. This gel blaster is powered by a 1200 mAh 7.4 battery and is equipped with a smart protection USB charging cable. The gel ball blaster has been assembled. Just install the battery and gel balls bullets, completely soaked for 3 to 4 hours. Turn on the switch and you can enjoy hours of entertainment. Gel blaster package included a complete gel blaster, reusable lithium-ion battery, a rechargeable USB, 2 magazines, 5,000 gel balls, bullets, safety glasses, and instruction manual.
Cover yourself, dude.
These kids were having a lot of fun. After all the fun the kids had, no mess was left over, like the paintball or airsoft BBs usually leave.
Look at these guys. Having a blast.
Thanks for watching and have some fun.